Oh! What? Come on, Russ.
2 alpha.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
It doesn't, I don't think it touches it.
Come on, Russ. Just leave it alone.
Oh!
Come on, Russ. Leave it alone.
Overlay.
Oh, fuck. Where's Charlie?
That's just...
Are you done? If you are finished, unload, show clear. Hammer down, holster. So them 3 plates didn't mean nothing?
Apparently not. Are you clear?
Yeah, he's clear.
All right, I'm gonna go score.
Range is clear.
Charlie, you got something, Mark.
And I screwed that up too.
Not as bad as this.
Other than that, I did all right.
Hey, great time.
Well, that plan sucked.